The country you choose matters, but the course you choose matters even more. A great course can create an opportunity even after the years of graduation. Now let's look at the top 5 courses which continue to have great demand across multiple countries. Starting with number 5, healthcare. Many countries are facing shortages in healthcare professionals. In fact, countries like Germany, Ireland, Australia, UK, and Finland are actively hiring skilled workers in this field. Whether it is nursing, physiotherapy, public health, or healthcare management, healthcare offers something many countries don't. It's a long-term stability. People always need healthcare services. Coming at number 4, engineering. Some students think engineering is overcrowded, but the employers would disagree this. Countries are investing billions in infrastructure, clean energy, transportation, manufacturing, and smart technologies. That's why mechanical, civil, electrical, automotive, and renewable energy engineers are highly valued in many countries. Now let's talk about number 3, cybersecurity. Every time you make an online payment or log into an app or storing information, security matters. And as cyber threats continues to increase, companies are struggling to find cybersecurity professionals. This shortage has created strong demands and attractive salaries for the graduates in cybersecurity and information security. At number 2, artificial intelligence and data science. A few years ago, AI was a future trend. But for today, it's already transforming industries. Businesses are using data and AI to improve customer experiences, detect fraud, and make better decisions. And that's why skills in AI, machine learning, data science, and business analytics becomes valuable around all sectors. And finally, the number 1 spot, computer science and IT. This field continues to dominate global hiring. From startups to multinational companies, every organization needs software developers, cloud engineers, software engineers, and technology professionals. And the best part, technology jobs exist in almost every countries and every industries. But before you rush to choose one of those courses, remember this, the highest paying course is not the best one for you. The best course is where your interest, strength, and market demand come together. Because studying abroad is about creating a future. So choose a course that you will still enjoy learning, growing, working in 5 years from now. Which of these courses would you consider to study abroad? Let us know in comments.